हाय हेलो नमस्ते वनकम सत श्री अकाल आदाब। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एबीआस। तो कैसे हो सब लोग? आज की वीडियो में हम एक कॉकटेल बनाने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है पीकी ब्लाइंडर्स। दिस कॉकटेल इज इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम द सीरीज कॉल्ड पीकी ब्लाइंडर्स फ्रॉम नेटफ्लिक्स। दिस कॉकटेल इज डेडिकेटेड टू पीकी ब्लाइंडर्स टीम. So let's get started. In the series, if we notice, one thing is common, that is smoking. So why can't we add the smoke in my drink? To add that smoke in my drink, I'm using cinnamon sticks. So let's smoke it. So meanwhile this glass is being smoked. So let's get started with another part. So for the first ingredient what I'm taking is 3 to 4 cubes of galangal, which represent author, the angry young man. He was a very angry young man, but we should notice one thing. He was a very kind person when it comes to a family matter. Even this galangal has that spicy and sweet note, as author has a angry face and sweetness. So we are using galangal to represent author. So we need to muddle this and we need to mash it to release the flavor and the aroma of it. So let's mash it. So as we mashed it, so the second ingredient is lemongrass. So we need to add this 4 to 5 stems, which represent the John. John was a very angry young man. Even this lemongrass has the tangy flavor. To represent John, we are using this lemongrass. We need to mash and muddle it to release the flavor of lemongrass. As this both ingredient has been muddled and mashed, so we have added two brothers, John and Arthur. Now, liquids enter. So we are taking whiskey, which represents Thomas Shelby. As we notice in the series, he used to drink only whiskey whenever he goes to bar. So I am using 100 Papers blended Scotch whiskey, 30 ml of whiskey. So now we add tequila, which has naughty characters in it like vanilla and caramel. So 30 ml of tequila, which represents Inspector Chester Campbell. At the age of 70, he proposed Grace, who was working under him, a very naughty old man. Now we add simple syrup, which is also known as lemon juice and sugar syrup. 15 ml of sugar syrup, 15 ml of lime juice. This simple syrup represents Eddie and Grace, who had two faces in the series. Like the simple syrup had two faces, like sweetness and tangy flavor in it. Why two faces? Eddie was protecting her boyfriend from her brothers, and even she used to care for her brothers. And Grace was a barmaid and loving Thomas Shelby and was a spy working under Chester Campbell. Now we are adding triple sec orange flavor. Even you can use Cointreau liqueur, but it was not available in market, so that's why I'm using this. This represents the gangster Kimba. Kimba was a very powerful gangster in first season. Even this triple sec has that powerful flavor of oranges. This triple sec can be consumed direct, but it will not taste so good. But if you mix this triple sec with some drink, it will taste good. Same as Kimba. He was a very powerful gang, but got killed by Thomas Shelby. That's why I'm using this. 10 ml of Kimba goes in. The last ingredient, Underberg bitter. This represents death of Danny, who was a very kind-hearted person who sacrificed his life for Thomas Shelby. So to represent Danny, I'm using this bitter. 1 dash of bitter. Now let us add ice. Even this ice has a character of a person in the Peaky Blinders. This ice represents Auntie Paul, who was a very calm, cool woman. So to represent Auntie Paul, I'm using this ice. So let's shake it. So as our drink is ready, even the glass is ready. So you can see the smoke coming out of it. So we are adding ice, which I have carved it properly, which represents Auntie Paul. We will be double straining it. Auntie Paul is inside the glass, followed by Thomas Shelby, Arthur, John, and Eddie, Grace, Kimba, etc. So as the drink is ready, but the drink is incomplete without any garnish. So I have carved this horse by using orange peel. If anyone knows why I am using this horse as garnish, please let me know in the comment section. This orange peel goes here. So the drink is ready, but this is not the way how to serve it. This drink should be served in some different level, right? Serving that, we will be using Peaky Blinders jail. As an outside person, what I feel is they do all illegal things. So that's why I'm putting this Peaky Blinders drink inside the jail and closing it off. Drink is inside this jail. So to have the drink, you need to comment below. Why did I use horse for garnish? So I hope you all must have answered correct. So let us consume the drink. Cheers. The drink is amazing. This is the story of Peaky Blinders first scene. This drink is dedicated to Peaky Blinders team. Cheers to Peaky Blinders team. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel APR. So अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं. तब तक